Don't underestimate YouTubers with 100 to 1,000 views. It may seem surprising, but they can potentially earn more than a channel with 100K views. Let me explain why. I have a YouTube channel with 250,000 subscribers, and my only source of income was AdSense and some app advertisements. At that time, I had limited knowledge about affiliate marketing, and I was content with my profits. However, my perspective changed when I discovered a channel with only 1,000 followers, and they were making more money through affiliate marketing than I was earning with AdSense. This inspired me to dive into affiliate marketing. I started a new channel, uploaded a video that received about 150 views, promoted an affiliate program, made some sales, and earned my first commissions from affiliate marketing. I've selected the most profitable platform for you, which is YouTube. It's the world's second largest search engine and incredibly popular, boasting over 2 billion monthly active users. I've also chosen the simplest way to make money, which is affiliate marketing. When you combine these two elements, you can generate substantial profits without revealing your face or name, and without investing a single cent. The key to achieving maximum benefits from affiliate marketing on your Faceless YouTube channel lies in focusing on these successful video ideas. Product reviews. Share your honest thoughts and insights about products in your niche. Product comparisons. Help viewers make smart choices by comparing different products. Tutorials. Create easy-to-follow guides for using products effectively. Top products videos. Spotlight the best products in your niche, showcasing their features and benefits. No matter your niche, whether it's health and fitness, finance, travel, business, or any other, center your videos around these 4 ideas. You can integrate them all into one channel if you prefer. For instance, if your focus is on smartphones, create a review video for a specific phone model, followed by a tutorial on how to use it effectively. You can then produce another video comparing different phones or listing the best options available. Apply this approach to your chosen field, and you'll be on your way to affiliate marketing success. In this wonderful video, Mr. Minato will demonstrate how to create a faceless YouTube channel, find the best products to promote, create professional faceless YouTube videos, craft clickable thumbnails, and write perfect titles, descriptions, and keywords to boost views and earn substantial commissions. We value your lovely comments on our previous videos, which have received tremendous support from all of you. This demonstrates your deep appreciation for the content I offer. To begin, please subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Step 1. Create a faceless YouTube channel. No matter your chosen niche, there are products to promote. Here's an example of a faceless YouTube channel that specializes in top 10 content. This channel serves as an excellent illustration. It focuses on creating and sharing videos about various consumer products and gadgets. These videos typically revolve around top 10 inches lists in different categories like electric motorcycles, tablets, earphones, gaming laptops, knives, cameras, camping gear, and more. In each video, you'll find a list of products within a specific category, with the presenter discussing their features and benefits. Some videos have garnered millions of views, making it a great opportunity for affiliate marketing. If you enter any video, you'll notice 10 affiliate links for the products mentioned in the video. It's important to mention in the description that these are affiliate links. This helps build trust with your followers. The process is straightforward. Copy and paste links into the video description, and you can even use AI-generated videos. Creating a channel is a breeze. Go to YouTube, create a new account, and click Create a Channel. Then choose a name and username. For instance, if you're creating a channel for laptop reviews, you can ask GPT for help in generating catchy names. Just use the prompt. Give me 50 YouTube channel names about your niche. Select the most appealing name and set it as your channel name. Initially, focus on one content niche. Once you build an audience, you can diversify into different product categories. For now, let's focus on laptops. Next, you'll need a logo and banner. Head to Canva and search for YouTube channel logo. You'll find various customizable designs, both free and paid. Free options work well, but if you want to use paid designs, watch my video on affiliate marketing on Pinterest to learn how to get a Canva Pro account for free. Choose a design like this circular one, and modify it to your liking by adding a laptop image, adjusting colors, and font styles. Once you're satisfied, upload it in PNG format. Now search for YouTube banners and select a template. Customize it with your channel name, change the font, and find a laptop-themed background. Don't spend too much time on this step. The most important part is yet to come. After uploading the logo and banner, add them to your channel. Voila! Your channel now looks elegant and wonderful. I'm excited to start making videos, but before that, let's find a few products to promote. Step 2. Find the best products to promote. The easiest way to discover products is by becoming an Amazon associate. It's a fantastic platform offering a wide range of products in any niche you desire. Join the platform, await approval, and then you can begin marketing. Amazon offers a plethora of products. For example, you can use Amazon's search feature to find a wide range of laptops within the platform, making it incredibly convenient. Pick the ones with the highest ratings and grab your unique affiliate link. This link will be used to promote the products on your YouTube channel, and you'll earn a commission for every sale generated. If you want to explore products beyond Amazon, simply head to Google and search for laptop affiliate programs. You'll find numerous programs that you can join and promote. This provides you with a broader selection of products to consider for your affiliate marketing efforts. Step 3. Create professional faceless YouTube videos. Now that we've identified the product we want to promote, let's proceed to create professional faceless YouTube videos. In this case, let's use the Asus TUF Gaming laptop as an example. We'll implement one of these content ideas: product reviews, product comparisons, tutorials, or top products videos. Since we have only one laptop at the moment, we'll create a review video for the Asus TUF Gaming laptop. To do this, we'll need two essential tools: Hix.ai and CapCut. The first, Hix.ai, is a powerful AI writing copilot that covers all your writing needs, that we'll use extensively for scripting our videos. It even has dedicated features for crafting convincing product reviews. The second tool, CapCut, is a user-friendly video editing tool. It's my go-to choice for video editing, and I recommend using it. Let's begin with Hix.ai. Hix.ai is a powerful new AI writing copilot here to assist you with all your writing needs. Everything that comes to your mind is available in this tool, and it also includes what we need in today's video. It offers custom tools for creating YouTube titles, descriptions, hashtags, hooks, and scripts, along with a dedicated feature for crafting convincing product reviews. Whether you're brainstorming ideas or need help with daily writing tasks, Hix.ai has you covered. It comes with over 120 AI tools to refine your drafts, from rewriting to summarizing and grammar checking, and it supports over 50 languages for seamless communication across the globe. With Hix.ai, you can write 10 times faster and boost your productivity, and it even works as a Chrome extension, providing on-demand assistance wherever you write. Explore all their powerful AI products, including an AI writer, long-form AI article writer, intelligent AI chatbot, AI email writer, and more. Best of all, you can get started for free without needing a credit card. Check out their plans and pricing to see how Hix.ai can upgrade your content game and save you time and money. It's a truly wonderful tool, and I can't list all the features it offers. When you register with it, you'll discover them. I'll provide the link in the first comment and the description for you to sign up and give it a try. Let's use this tool to write a review. First, sign up, then head to the AI Writer section, which offers various tools and features. Search for product to find the product review feature, along with other useful options like Amazon product descriptions. Click on product review, begin by typing the laptop's name at the top. Provide a brief laptop description within 400 characters. For additional details, use the form below. You can adjust the target audience, tone of voice, and language as needed. Keep the number of reviews at 1, then click Generate. The results will amaze you. Within seconds, it'll create an organized script. You can modify, copy, or delete it and see the word count. You can request multiple texts, each for a dedicated video. The script is now ready. If you search for YouTube, you'll discover fantastic tools to simplify your YouTube work. I'm suggesting an idea. You can implement it your way. No need to follow my instructions exactly. Short videos suffice, no need for lengthy ones. 3 to 5 minute videos attract high views for affiliate marketing profits. If you grow your channel, longer videos can help earn through AdSense. For the voiceover, visit 11 Labs, which offers a vast library of professional voices. Choose the gender, category, age, and accent that suits your video. Paste the script, click Generate, and download the voice. The site provides 10,000 characters for free, and for more features, including 30,000 characters per month and a commercial license, you can subscribe for just $1. Now that we have the voice commentary, let's move on to the free CapCut program. It has a user-friendly interface that simplifies the editing process. Upload the voice into the program and gather all the photos and videos related to the laptop to create various video segments. I will go to Amazon, for example, where I found the computer, and I will download the pictures of Asus TUF Gaming. For high-quality images and videos, use Google and YouTube, but be cautious about copyrighted content. To download videos for free without issues, click on Filters and select Creative Commons. This will give you videos you're free to use, although you may need to edit them. It's also a good practice to credit the owner of the channel where you obtained the video by mentioning their name in your YouTube video description. Collect your chosen pictures and add them to CapCut. Make quick edits, add filters, transitions, captions, and some visual effects. After just a few minutes, my video is ready. I will show you the video now. Remember, this is just an example, and I didn't use high-quality videos or pictures. Put your focus on creating the best content you can.
Asus TUF Gaming F15 gaming laptop, a powerhouse for gamers. The Asus TUF Gaming F15 gaming laptop, model name FX506HF ES51, is a game-changer in the world of gaming laptops. With its impressive features and cutting-edge technology, this laptop is designed to provide an exceptional gaming experience for everyone. The gameplay graphics on the Asus TUF Gaming F15 are silky smooth thanks to the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 4GB GDDR6 graphics card. With a dynamic boost, this laptop delivers outstanding performance and ensures your games run flawlessly.
Step 4. Craft clickable thumbnails. After producing your faceless YouTube videos, the next crucial step is crafting clickable thumbnails that will attract viewers to your content. Many successful YouTube videos feature uncomplicated thumbnails with a single colored background. When it comes to text, keep it concise, using 1 to 3 words at most, using clear text and emojis. The goal is to evoke a viewer's curiosity and emotions with a single glance. Avoid cluttering the image with excessive elements and colors. Typically, 2 colors are sufficient. You can employ Canva to create elegant and straightforward thumbnail images. Here's how. Navigate to Canva and search for YouTube thumbnails. Select a blank template to create an image from scratch. Choose a suitable background color by simply specifying the color you want. Next, upload high-quality images related to your laptop. Add text, ensuring it's clear and enhancing the image's clarity and aesthetics. Apply filters, adjust brightness and saturation, and customize the text style and color according to your preference. For instance, using bright and cheerful colors like yellow can be effective, as it's one of the brightest colors. Don't forget to include an appropriate emoji to add a touch of personality. Once these steps are completed, your thumbnail is now beautiful and ready to be added to your video. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly boost your video's click-through rate and ultimately help attract more viewers to your content. Step 5. Write perfect titles, descriptions, and keywords. Now I've got everything ready, the video and the thumbnail. It's time to log into our YouTube account and upload the video. Let's choose the file, and next we need to craft a compelling title, description, and keywords. Let's revisit the previous site, Hicks AI, and search for YouTube. Click on YouTube video title and enter the subject of your video. I will paste the name of the laptop and add the word review to indicate that I'm reviewing this laptop. Click on generate. I received 5 titles and I will choose the second one. You can request more if you prefer. Now return to YouTube Studio and paste the title. Next, go back to Hicks AI and click on YouTube video description. Provide the title, and within seconds, you'll have multiple descriptions to choose from. Select one and go back to YouTube Studio to paste it in the description section. Don't forget to add the thumbnail you created using Canva. For keywords, you can use the same website. Click on YouTube Tags Generator and input the video title in the first line. Then, type in one keyword such as Asus TUF Gaming F15. And click on Generate. I received 5 groups of keywords. For instance, I will take these keywords and add them to YouTube Studio. By following these steps, you'll have your video title, description, thumbnail, and a set of keywords ready for your YouTube video. Publish the video as not listed. We will now see how the video appears. It is really good. We made it in less than an hour, and it is better than the videos that are all made with 100% AI. We will return to YouTube Studio and add the affiliate link in the description, and we will add it as well. In the first comment, immediately publish the video and start making another video. Do not think too much, as the longer you delay, the more profits will be delayed. In conclusion, building a $200 per day income through affiliate marketing on a faceless YouTube channel is absolutely achievable by following the steps we've discussed in this video. Remember, it all starts with creating your channel, carefully selecting the right products to promote, producing professional faceless videos and optimizing them with clickable thumbnails, perfect titles, descriptions, and keywords. I have shared everything I know, including the programs I use. Your success in affiliate marketing depends on your dedication and consistency. Thank you all for watching and being a part of this community. Together, we can reach new heights in affiliate marketing. If you have any specific ideas or questions, please drop them in the comments below. I'll be sure to respond. Thanks again, and let's keep growing together.